Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 28 to May 4, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Leo, let's see what are the energies for you this week. Joy, something that will make you happy. Merong magpapasaya sa inyo ngayong week na to, or meron kayong source of happiness. Can be a celebration, or meron kayong na-achieve or na-manifest ngayong week na to. Imagination, so maaring iba sa inyo, you are going to be more creative. Meron ka mga projects, creative projects, or creative work na magpapasaya sa inyo or bibigyan nyo ng attention. Maaring meron kayong bagong libangan or passion na ipupursu ninyo this week. You also have health, so focus nyo rin ang inyong kalusugan, living a healthier life, having a healthier lifestyle. Let's see what else. You have the Eight of Pentacles. So this is work, focusing on mastering a craft. So maaaring meron kami na master na skills, na knowledge, o kaya abilities, no? Meron kang tinatrabaho. Maaaring magiging very busy ka. Maaaring yung iba sa inyo busy sa pag-travel. Maaaring yung work ninyo may kinalaman sa pag-travel, or parang meron kayong project kung kayo yung tipong nangungumisyon or service-oriented yung business ninyo or trabaho ninyo. I feel like someone is mag-manage sa inyo or parang magsusupervise sa inyo. Parang naghihintay siya nung ginagawa mo. Something like that. Also, the Ten of Swords. Maaring this week is going to be stressful. Siguro dahil rin to sa pressure, no? Meron kang pressure na matatanggap galing sa trabaho, sa boss mo. You have the Four of Swords. So this is about taking a rest. Pagpapahinga. So ikaw ay pinagpapahinga ngayong week na to. So kumbaga, wag daw masyado ring focus lang sa trabaho. Wala namang masama na mag-focus sa trabaho, pero yung balance lang. Kasi syempre, importante nga sa inyo yung kalusugan, 'di ba? Yung kaya lang ng katawan mo. You also have the Six of Pentacles, which is balance in your finances, in your career. This is also help. So kung meron kang kinakailangan or hihingi ng tulong, no? Meron tutulong sa'yo. Maaari rin ikaw yung magbibigay ng tulong. You have the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands is about messages. So, maaring meron mga important messages ka na ma-receive ngayong week na to. Related sa pera to, or related sa hinihintay mo na pera. So, pwedeng loan ito, or meron kang hinihintay na magbibigay sa'yo or magpapaabot sa'yo ng tulong financially. So, someone is going to help you out. Okay, so let's see what else. For Leo, you have caution. So, Mercury in Virgo in the 6th house. So, some of you, medyo ang isa sa reason ng stress ninyo sa trabaho ninyo, mga katrabaho nyo, co-workers ninyo, pwedeng meron dyan na hindi nyo kasundo. And yung iba pwedeng mauwi to sa medyo madrama or mainit na pagtatalo. Okay, so you have to control your emotions as well. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong ipupursu na ibang interest, lalo na kung kind of stressful na yung career, trabaho ninyo ngayon. Maaring may mag-open na opportunity. So, pay attention, no? Kasi may Mars dito in the 8th house, which is revenge. Pay attention sa mga makakasalamuha mo, makakausap mo. Kumbaga umiwas ka na lang din sa issue, sa gulo kasi pwedeng merong matrigger. May mga tao kasi na mabilis matrigger, mabilis mainis, no? So, be careful na lang sa pakikisalamuha sa iba. So, sa money, career, finances, you have may emotional moment sa trabaho, no? Pwede ngang, yun nga, like we mentioned kanina, pwede magkaroon ng dramatic na situation sa workplace mo. You also have manifestation. So, your dream life is actually manifesting. So, kailangan lang dyan is maging open ka sa possibilities kasi pwedeng yung gusto mong ma-manifest sa career path mo, nangangailangan to ng pagbabago, no? Bago mo ma-experience yung change, yung kung ano man tong gusto mong makuha. For example, no, gusto mong mag-increase yung sweldo mo, pero sa situation mo ngayon, mukhang malabo. E di, try new opportunities kasi pwedeng makahanap ka ng mas magandang opportunities for your career, for your work, na kung saan mas malaki yung sasweldohin mo. Diba? So, meron ka mga kailangang ayusing papers sa work, paper sa ina-applyan mo. May mga ipaprocess ka na documentations. So, sa love life naman, may new love. Makikipag-date kayo, ha? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are connecting with a friend na kumbaga nade-develop yung relationship nyo as lovers. Yung iba naman, pwedeng magsisimula kayo as friends ng person na to. And eventually, you will find yourself in love with this person. I feel like meron kang i-get to know someone. Meron kang kikilalanin na person sa buhay mo ngayon romantically. And the more na mag-spend ka ng time with this person, mas marirealize mo na marami pala kayong pagkakapareho. Tapos, dun sa pagkakapareho na yun, marirealize mo na, you can be soulmates. You may be soulmates. May soulmate connection. Stepping into your power. Wow, don't take a back seat in your story. It's time to step up. Yes, you are upgrading. Okay? Kung sa workplace mo, you feel like hindi mo din-deserve yan. I think you will find, hahanap ka ng ibang opportunity sa work na kung saan mas magagamit mo yung talento mo, yung skill set mo, at mas mapapahalagahan ka. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.